Forget the horror movies. These are the 5 most successful serial killers in nature, and you'll never guess which one is suspect number 1. Starting with number 5, the lion. 250 deaths a year. He's not a king, he's a brawler. Number 4, the hippo. 500 killed. Don't let the size fool you. Number 3, the elephant. 550 deaths. This isn't a game. Number 2, the Nile croc. 1,000 kills. He's been watching you. But the number 1 assassin? The snake. 100,000 direct kills.
Which one is your biggest nightmare? Let me know in the comments. Case closed. For now.